Oi, aku boleh shut up.
Guys, it's so hot. So hot. Oh, hi. Ah, look.
Saying already, oh, spion.
Oh, tingin ko pa ako nga rin.
Spear!
This one. This is Osi's brother's wife.
Spear!
Or, you know, wife.
Ako mangon.
Boy bang.
Ako mangon.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Spear! Spear!
Kefia.
Spear!
Look at this little puppy. Hello.
Sorry, ya.
Is barap. Telo. Telo fez o cara. Lindo ako nga pong sa oy.
Ay, mga yun. Eh, kung mo di. Mia, ay doon po mga ulit kong yun. Mga pula nga yun kong
Oh, yeah. Give it to me.
Ay ko ni nga mangoli. Nga di.
may mga ilaw.
Ria,
Can you pick me a good one? Oh, here, my son.
kala solok makakamo.
Kasaw. Ito nga, ma'am.
Where oh. Osi's got mango trees, like 5 mango trees behind his house. That's where these mangoes came from. Is that one a good one? Thanks. I'll just eat this one. No, I don't. I love mango so much. Guys, look at me. I'm like so hot. So hot. I can't wait for a shower. So hard. It's like a rock. Maya. Let's go buying.
Buying.
That's Osi's brother's house with his girlfriend. And I always see it on like video cam. This is what it really looks like. It's actually really nice.
Hey everybody.
Why didn't you bring your gendals? Oh, where is it? I love eating skin of mango. This is Sheraton.
Okay, buddy.
Ouch.
Hi, everybody. If you want to rent this house, oh, come in with. Don't mind the mess.
What's so
Because
nice?
There's somebody went here, but they're not cleaning. Okay. If you wanna come, we'll come.
Getting you. Oh. Guys, look at our delicious food. Except for the fact that I don't eat fish. But all she does.
Koi maruru wow. Ele venga kadin maruru. Wa de la baba ko de fong fia sa ulom ku. Ele nga lom ku yo, ele nga ka vok.
Is that thingy's
This is
house?
my other brother's car.
Ngawon mo na kumasang.
Yaro mato atu tare manga au mai ngai me ia wa ia maruenga ya
Having a nice break.
malo lava
Kumalu ngayon.
ya fa yang si ai sau nhiêu la me I có nhiều nhiều I.
Hey guys, it's super hot here. The weather is totally different from the weather in Canberra. Just sweating it out. I guess you could say the last 2 weeks of non-keto is just paying off through this sweat, just dripping. This is our namesake.
Đây ngô.
Vita. Eh.
Kau đây ngô vita.
Aku lo fare ai lo suka laki urendo.
Oh.
Aku lo fare ai lo suka laki ma aku lo ma baturo ta lo ka fare lo. Eh yo vika. Eh no vita George fai lo soke. Pero aku lo fare ai lo suka laki ma lo ka fare. Uye ila so me.
Guys, look how skinny those pigs are. Oh my gosh, they're so skinny.
Bari alo vika le alo ila lo. Hey, sao? The skinny. Snacky there over there. And then pig over there. Who's that boy? Is he talking to me?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Yeah, no for it. Mako. Mahal pa ako laki.
Oh my gosh, you're so loud. That was so sad. Oh my gosh. It all happened so quickly, that poor pig. Aww. Oh, how sad. Bye, piggies. We're going for a walk. We could have taken the car, but I just need some shampoo because, you know, this straight hair ain't it in this weather, you know. I was feeling like super sick.
So see,
Don't worry. When I go back to Oz, I'm gonna be white again. But
no. I don't want my skin to go bad again.
Oh my god, this is so funny. But we are like, I like walking, but it's just like the heat.
Yeah.
That's like the only thing that throws me off. Is just the heat. Oh my gosh, is it raining?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It's like so sunny and it's raining.
Oh yeah, come fere la ki more ko
I really wish they had a vai. Sale aula is so poo.
No, e kanga pia sa.
Sale aula is so kaya.
Hey,
I'm joking. This shop was literally like probably 60 meters from their house, and they were like, no, go in the car. So I was like, nah, we'll walk. Can't believe it. I just can't believe it. It's like right here. Ossie's sitting over there. And we're just watching these guys play. That's Ossie's brother. They're 1 year apart. And it's still pretty hot. My baby on field now. He's got the Just Do It shirt on the other side. Let's see if he's any good, guys. Wow, Victor's named after me and Ossie because the day he was born, Ossie came and met my dad and asked for my hand. So they named him after us. He's a little cutie. He's my little baby. You're my little baby boy. You're my little baby boy. This guy's not even doing it. I have not have seen him touch the ball. Yeah, I haven't even seen you touch the ball. SV squat. Ja, SS squat. Waarom? Mia, how do you feel to be back in your home country?
It's pretty nice, but not really nice. So hot.
It's actually really cool now. It's like,
Look,
really
I am black.
Look, my eyes puff every time I come here. My eyes go puffy. I don't know why every time I come to Samoa, my face like swells, my eyes get puffy, and it's like it looks fuller.
I do.
Because of the hot heat.
I don't want my skin to go away, but look, my face is so black. No way, I'm not going to the sun anymore. Oh
my God!
My face is going to die. My eyebrow is going to be
Hairy again.
No, I will go to cut again. But look at my hair. I didn't do my hair this, but facing a better
That's Ossie's older sister's daughter. Her name's Selua. She's so beauty.
Yeah.
Hey Loa, you're so beauty. She's so cute. Hey Vidi. Hey Vidi Vidi. His face.
Apenas yung king vai esse, ya, o ia me faz faz com ninguém. Ya, o kalanga le ya ro kalanga kausi ya isla ya, me se foi em fangau. Ya ro ya ni ku ka wo mang sa ia yung king vai esse, pa kai keu pa kai mau, kai foi nga ka vai ya wa foi pang malanga ngor ai ba.
Oi.
Ya.
Kuangan dia bayar ya sini na balik.
Ya. Ai o mo mariatu manam lama sa fia ngai ma tu ti tu foi lo fia o ma lo ma ngas. Ma lo fa tai pule fa so I fu e la o fio. Ela me ai mo e fu ni fia e o ma ta se ro fa so ia fa mia. Ma si o fa mia ne e sta mia ta te ni me ai ma tu sa ne ta dia mo to ro ni su men.
Man.
I do not like this, guys. I mean, not the food. No, I don't like being served. I just want to eat with everyone. This feels so awkward. It's bippy. Oh my god, I already look so weird. It is night time. It's currently 8 o'clock in Australia, so that means it's 11 here and everyone's sleeping and I'm like wide awake. But we're going on the Va'ausu tomorrow to a beer to go and pick up our rental. Got Snacky Boy here.
Hey, where's my wallet?
And I got my stuffs here. I'm editing. Oh, the battery's flashing, guys. We love you guys so much. We hope you liked our first video today.
Thank you.
And that's our bed. I'm going to toilet. Peace.